Okay, got the light set up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now we're about to work on this fucking piece of shit ass car. So, if you guys are wondering why I'm making a video by myself, hold up. By myself, you feel me? Why I'm making a video? Cause this headlight piece of shit doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. So it doesn't work. And Koshif not here, Edwin not here, and Jason is busy doing his own thing. So they're all doing their own thing. I'm here struggling. Oh, hello. See, look, I'm here struggling, trying to fix my own damn car. Hello. What the fuck? Oh, that's a dummy game. Oh, hello. Who's over there? Hello. But yeah, this shit don't work. This shit's fucking stupid as fuck. Oh, hello. Okay, but start this bitch up. I'm gonna just pull it inside. Uh-oh. I think that's it. I don't know. See, someone would tell me if I'm good, if someone was fucking here with me, helping me. That's okay though. It's okay. Alright, that should be good. So yeah, let's start this bitch. So first, I guess, okay, this shit, I need to clean that fucking shit up. But first, I guess we're just gonna take all these fucking things out. And this is the under tray underneath. I don't think I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna just take out the bumper halfway so I don't need to do no extra bullshit, because I don't know if it's gonna fucking fix today. So yeah, the reason why this shit is like all types of fucked, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a little hazy. And right here it's like freaking solid. But yeah, this is hazy because it's been a front end accident, and then not for me, but so I bought it from a owner, and this been messed up, so it's been cracked, but we like try to repair it. We did, but water still gets inside of it, and then this time it went boop, explosion. It died. So yeah. And then I gotta take out this one first, and then this, and I'm gonna time lapse this whole bitch. You feel me?
But I guess you'll always come in.
Okay, so. Alright, so I'm just letting you guys know this. This might be a fail, this might not. I'm not too sure. I'm still taking it out, but I'm gonna take it out. And with the new headlights that I bought, it's gonna come in like 2 weeks, right? And those headlights, you gotta use the same housing that you have in the old one. So I'm just gonna check if that housing is good. If not, then I'm kind of screwed because I have no money right now. I just spent like freaking $500 on 2 brand new headlights, the GTR ones. But yeah, I'm gonna see if it fucking works. If not, I'm fucked. Alright, and I'm gonna catch you guys. I'm gonna get back with you guys when I take it out. Alright, update. Got that shit out, and by the way, if you're taking it out, there's gonna be there's gonna be a wire attached to the whole housing, and there's gonna be a bolt. Oh, there's a bolt right here. So there's gonna be a bolt right here, and then it's gonna be inside here somewhere. So there's gonna be a one right here, maybe, I don't know, somewhere over here. And there's gonna be one right here. So those 3 bolts gonna hold in your bumper. I mean your fucking headlight. The fuck am I saying? But yeah. And now, when I took this fucking behemoth out, when I took it out, I like tilted it a little, and then water came out. Hella water. Hella fucking water came out. So I've been knowing the issue, it was like water, but I didn't know it was gonna be that much water. She made a whole fucking puddle. Shit's crazy. But yeah, oh shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna see the I don't even know where it's leaking, and we like sealed everything too. I don't know what the fuck is leaking at. So I think I'm gonna just untwist this. I've been trying to, and this shit is not coming out. Well, I'm gonna untwist this, get the housing out, see if it still works. If it does, then I fucking fixed it. If it doesn't, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. But okay, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Fuck out of here. Well, okay, so this one like this. This is like underneath the housing part. And so, oh yeah, I had to like improvise a little. That's the door hinges. Yeah, don't ask why, but like I couldn't get it off for like the longest. I got it off, you feel me? But there was no point because I'm not gonna use that fucking shit, my fucking dumbass. But okay, this is like the HID housing, whatever bullshit. And so what I have found, because this is where it was leaking from, I guess. Took this wire out, and it came to my conclusion. There's water inside there. You can't see, but there's water inside there. And there was water inside this wire. So my theory is, if I dry this bitch, hopefully it works, because this is not the first time it happened to my car. My headlight went out, but like the next day, it like worked somehow. So I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers, if I blow dry this bitch, it should work. Alright, I'll catch you when it's like on there. Oh.